I started off working for the dad, then I started working for Ed and Rob, and now it's Ben and Mike. So it's really a family-orientated business, and I enjoy working for them.
The business has been around for 37 years now, I believe. Started in 1982, so just over 37 years.
So we've gone from, at that point in time, actually, I think the first year we had one customer, maybe two customers, in sales of a few $100,000 to today we've got over 100 people, well over 100 people, and sales are significantly more than that. So we've got employees here that have been here from really almost the get-go. So it's almost become a family, unity. From my family to the people who work here is almost part of our family.
What do? We make things out of metal. So we work with our customers who will send us prints, and we build what they want. So whether it's just an easy cut or the door that is on the side of an RV. So we're very diverse in what we do, and pretty much we don't say no to anything. So anything that can be made out of metal, we'll at least try and give our best go at it.
Yeah, so right now we still do some private RVs, maybe 10-12% of our total sales. We do a lot with the semi-trailer industry. We do a lot with utility trucks, like boom trucks, that type of thing. So with the railroad industry, we do quite a bit with the emergency vehicle, like fire trucks, ambulance type industry. So we made a lot of kiosks through the years, so really almost anything out of metal, but those are kind of our main stays at this point in time.
What sets us apart is, I think, with our willingness to try anything and to be a one-stop shop for our customers. If they need hot parts, we'll work it in our schedule in order to keep their lines moving and to keep them producing.
We get it down to the thousands, so we want to please our customers better than anybody else.
What makes me most proud is the people that work here. I think it's very cool. You interviewed Esley earlier. Him kind of being here for 35 years and raising his family and all that type of stuff I think that is what makes me most proud. It's just the people inside these walls and how much this place means to not only our family, but the people that have worked here, and they're really a part of the family. I think that's a very cool thing, and it makes me proud to be a part of it.